What's the meaning of capture? Capture. Capture.
Capture. Capture. Capture can refer to the act of catching or seizing something, often in order to hold on to it or bring it under control. This can be done physically, such as capturing a wild animal or a criminal suspect, or metaphorically, such as capturing a moment or a feeling in a photograph or work of art. The result of a successful capture is that the thing being captured is now in the possession or control of the captor, or has been successfully recorded or represented in some way.